that I'll be uploading more information about this Redmi 9. I got it from AliExpress about around $134 plus taxes. So at the end, I ended up paying like $147 from China to the US. I purchased it at the in the middle of July, and I got it on August the 15th in New York. However, for me, it took longer to have the actual phone because I live on a different country, so the phone was sent to my country, to El Salvador. So let's go ahead and focus on the unboxing. As you see, we have a simple design. We only have the pictures of the phones and the three different colors that we have: blue, green, and the one that I have, which is black. As you saw before, the one that I have, it's the 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, and as you can see, it's brand new. Nobody has opened up the phone before, so we are the first ones that has the ability to open up this phone. So it's kind of difficult for me to open up the phone. I don't have a tool to do it, and I'm using this. There we go. The phone is almost open completely. I have been waiting almost 2 months. Can you believe I have been using a lot of phones since I left my Samsung Galaxy A20, which was my personal device. I moved out to a Redmi 8, and after that I got a Volt M6, which is a phone that it's being sold in the country. And after that I got a ZTE A7 2019. And after that, a Samsung Galaxy A10s, and now there we go. Finally, Redmi 9 is here. As you can see, the specs, what they have decided to highlight is that it has 4 cameras, a 13 megapixel AI quad camera. As you can see as well, the insane battery, 5020, and as well it's coming with fast charging. As you can see, the screen is huge. It's a 6.53 inches display, full HD resolution, which is great considering the price of the phone. And as well, we have the MediaTek Helio G80, which is not the most powerful processor in the market. However, considering the price point on this cell phone, I'm glad to see that it's going to be a promising device. So as you can see, this is my first Xiaomi. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll promise you that I'll be uploading more content. And please let me know if you like or what I can improve on the quality of the channel. And I'm sorry for the background noise, but it seems that there is a child crying, and I live on an area where houses are too close from one or the other. So sorry for that. And well, let's going back to the unboxing, and as you saw, we open up the box, and the SIM card tray was there, and as well the phone protective case, which is in black. I have seen on a lot of videos from YouTube that if you get the green or the blue one, it's going to be transparent. So this is the case for my unit, which is in gray. As you saw, I have the adapter from Europe because I purchased this phone from a Russian store. So my my Xiaomi is coming from Russia to El Salvador directly. So we have it, and it's a 10-watt charger, which is not that promising considering that the phone is even compatible with fast charging, and at the end we don't even get that on the charger on the box. Come on, Xiaomi. I don't know what you are doing, but you are trying to save money as you can. But well, what we can expect, I'm going to purchase a fast charging in a store here in El Salvador, and I'll let you guys know. So as you saw, we have only the cable C, and that's basically it. We don't have anything else on the box. That's basically all what we have. So I'm going to open up the phone. It is awesome to have the phone and being the first one that opens, because if you have seen on the other videos that I have uploaded on the channel, I have not been able to open it because I purchased the phone and they open it and they complete the activation. So at the end we lose the unboxing experience. because we have
Uno,
to do it
no se
as
abre desde aquí.
pretending that it's brand
Vamos
new,
a
but
buscar la
now
forma
we have
correcta
been
de cómo
able
abrir
to
este
do
dispositivo.
it from brand new.
Creo
So
que tenemos que hacer esto hacia
what do you
abajo
like? What is your favorite feature from this
y
phone?
una vez ya los tenemos
I'll
así,
be reading in the comments so you can let me know
de acá.
and share your thoughts and opinions.
Wow,
I'm kind of nervous
siente
because
increíble.
I don't used to do much videos in English. My
Wow, y a
first
pesar de
language is
todo, pues
Spanish,
aún
but
tiene
I'm going
carga.
to improve, okay, with the
Como
time.
pueden ver, está
I have
encendiendo. Acá
promised to
tenemos
myself that
Redmi,
I'll be
powered by
uploading more
Android.
videos to Rick
Pues voy a
Reloaded
empezar a conocer
so
un
we
poco
can
más
have
este
both channels
dispositivo
active, and at the end we
y
can
así
get more
comentarles
revenue
pues cuál es mi
so we can bring
experiencia por
more
el
funds to the
momento, si
channel.
ven es un
So
imán de huellas,
that's
pero
going
a
to help
pesar
me a
de ello
lot
se
if you can
siente bien,
subscribe
o
and
sea, es
share
un
the video to
plástico,
your
pero
friends or family
no se
members.
siente barato, había
Well,
incluso
now
pues en las
what I'm looking
reviews o
at is
las
that the
reseñas de los
phone
demás
it's made
canales
in
que yo había
plastic.
estado viendo en
However,
esta larga
it's not
espera,
a cheap
decían que se
plastic. The
sentía muy
phone
plasticoso,
feels
pero
great in the
bueno, yo
hand,
como no estoy
and
acostumbrado a
it's going
teléfonos
to give you the
de gamas
impression
más
that it's
altas, yo lo
even
siento muy bien
another
construido, incluso
material
lo
because it's
siento
even cold
pues
when you hold it.
hasta helado como que
However,
fuera aluminio,
we have
o
seen
quizás
a
es
lot
porque
of
es
videos
ruso.
that it's black. So
Y tiene
please
una
let me know
textura
what do
acá
you think. That's basically all on my end.
en las
So
cuatro cámaras
thank you
como
for
pueden ver,
viewing my video, and I hope you have a great day.
subir y bajar volumen y la calcomanía con el IMEI. Así que bueno, esto era lo que quería compartir con ustedes el día de hoy con respecto a este dispositivo. Si tienen preguntas o sugerencias, pues háganlas saber en la caja de comentarios. Esto sería todo el día de hoy y será hasta la próxima.